This microcredential deals with governing systems and consists of 3 targeted skills. This targeted skill deals with governor repair and maintenance. Before removing or disconnecting a governor, it is advisable to take a picture of all parts and their connections with a cell phone. Often there are several holes where linkage or springs can be attached. A picture would be helpful when trying to reassemble those parts. Pneumatic governors are mounted underneath the engine shroud, making them quick and easy to access and also simple to repair. When troubleshooting a pneumatic governor, often debris can collect under the engine shroud and constrict the movement of the air vane or linkage. Clean the debris and check for free movement of all parts. Check for free movement of the throttle. Make sure all connections are complete and there are no broken or unattached parts. Inspect the air vane to verify that it's not cracked or broken, and also check that the springs are attached at the proper junction and are not stretched. In the mechanical governor, some parts are located inside the engine, and linkages are located outside the engine. This design makes it harder to repair. When troubleshooting a mechanical governor, check for free movement in all of the parts. Verify that all connections are complete and there are no broken or unattached parts. Make sure that the springs are attached at the proper junction and not stretched, and if necessary, split the engine and check the internal components. If an engine surges and you are uncertain if the problem exists with the governor or the throttle, you can hold the throttle still. If the engine settles and runs at a constant speed, the surging problem is in the carburetor. If the engine continues to run erratic, then the governor is at fault. Most operational checks of a governing system can be made by listening. You can simply hear if the system is running normally. However, to check and adjust RPMs, a tachometer is needed. It measures the electrical pulse going through the spark plug wire to the spark plug while the engine is running. It is extremely accurate. Remember that the spring pulls the governor back from idle. If you bend the tab that the spring mounts to, you can increase or decrease the RPMs. Finally, when trying to adjust or repair a governor, it's best to refer to the manufacturer's service manual for that specific brand of engine. The manual will provide exact procedures and specifications.